What could have caused the cake to be undercooked in the middle?
Hello, and welcome. Today we'll be exploring a baking dilemma many of us face. Why does a cake sometimes end up undercooked in the middle? This common issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to dissect the reasons and offer some solutions.
Is your oven temperature accurate?
The first potential culprit could be your oven. It might be running too hot or too cold, which means your cake is not baking at the temperature you think it is. A hot oven can cause the outside of your cake to bake quickly while leaving the inside undercooked. On the other hand, an oven that's not hot enough might leave your entire cake underbaked. Consider investing in an oven thermometer to verify the accuracy of your oven's temperature.
Are you using the right cake pan?
The type of cake pan you use can significantly affect your baking result. Dark, non-stick pans absorb heat more readily than lighter, aluminum pans. If you're using a dark or glass dish, it may cause the cake's edges to bake and darken quickly, while the middle remains undercooked. Try switching to a lighter-colored aluminum pan and see if it makes a difference.
Have you checked your baking powder or baking soda?
The leavening agents, baking powder or baking soda, in your cake are responsible for creating air bubbles that help the cake rise evenly. If your leavening agents are old or not active, they won't produce enough gas, which can leave your cake dense and undercooked in the middle. Always ensure your baking powder and baking soda are fresh.
Is your batter consistent?
When mixing your batter, it's crucial to get a consistent mixture. If the batter is not mixed thoroughly, you could end up with areas that are denser than others, leading to uneven baking. However, be cautious not to overmix, as this can also create problems. Strive for a well-incorporated, but not overbeaten, batter. So there you have it. Those are the main factors that could be causing your cake to be undercooked in the middle. It might take a bit of detective work to figure out which one is the culprit in your case, but once you do, you'll be well on your way to perfect cakes every time. Happy baking!